How much should you actually spend on a light bulb security camera? It's interesting because people are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. The real difference often comes down to features that really matter. Product number 1: WSECUU 2K Security Camera. First up is the WSECUU Light Bulb Security Camera, priced at just $21.99. What caught my attention was its dual-band connectivity, which means stronger signal reception. If you want reliable home security without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. Now let's talk about why this product can help you. You can install it easily by screwing it into a standard E27 bulb socket. With 2K HD video resolution, you'll be able to clearly identify faces from up to 30 feet away. Plus, the color night vision ensures you can see clearly even in low light, making it easier to keep an eye on your property around the clock. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The built-in two-way audio allows you to communicate directly with anyone near the camera, whether it's a family member or a visitor. You also get real-time alerts on your smartphone when motion is detected, which adds an extra layer of security. The reviews speak volumes too, with a solid 4.2-star rating from over 4,400 users. Now, some people complain that it doesn't perform well in extreme weather conditions. Here's the thing though, as long as you use a waterproof lampshade, you should be fine. If you're just looking for an affordable option that gets the job done, this is still a solid choice. This is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly security solution that's easy to install. Skip this one if you need something more robust for extreme weather. It's a great value for the features it offers. Now, if the previous camera's weather concerns worry you, the next one on my list might actually be even better for more reliable outdoor use. Product number 2: WSECUU Enhanced Security Camera. Next up is another WSECUU Light Bulb Security Camera, retailing for $39.99. This one caught my eye because it offers a bit more in terms of features. If you're serious about home security, this is definitely worth a look. The two-way audio is still there, allowing you to communicate with visitors, and the camera still boasts 2K HD video quality. This means you can monitor your home clearly day or night with color night vision that works well even in lower light. The motion detection feature is another big plus, with alerts sent straight to your smartphone. This model claims to reduce false alarms while keeping you informed. With over 4,400 reviews and a solid rating, many users have been satisfied with its performance. Some users did mention that it struggled a bit with clarity during extreme weather. I'll be real with you, while that can be a downside, if you're using it in a more temperate climate, it shouldn't be a deal breaker. It's a solid choice for those who want reliable monitoring. This is perfect for you if you want a balance between affordability and reliability in a security camera. Skip this one if you live in a place with harsh weather conditions. For the price, it offers great value. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually surprise you with its advanced features. Product number 3: WSECUU Premium Light Bulb Camera. Third on the list is another WSECUU Light Bulb Security Camera, priced at $37.99. I was drawn to this one for its sleek black design and solid features. If you're looking for something a bit more stylish yet functional, this could be the one for you. The major selling point here is its human detection alarm, which reduces false alerts and gives you peace of mind. What's even cooler is that you can share access with family and friends through the app, making it easy for multiple users to monitor your home. With a 4.2-star rating and plenty of positive feedback, it seems to do the trick for most users. However, some reviews pointed out that the night vision could get blurry under certain light conditions. But honestly, if you're placing this in a well-lit area or near an outdoor light, that shouldn't be a problem. Overall, it's a stylish and functional option worth considering. This is perfect for you if you appreciate a good design along with functionality. Skip this one if you need the absolute best night vision performance. For the features it packs, it's reasonably priced. Now, if you're looking for something with a bit more tech-savvy features, The next one on the list might catch your eye. Product number 4, WiZe Bulb Cam. Coming in at number 4 is the WiZe Bulb Cam, priced at $49.98. What caught my attention with this one is its wider viewing angle and advanced features. If you want more comprehensive monitoring, this is worth checking out. This camera offers a remarkable 160 degrees wide view, which is fantastic for covering larger areas. The 2K HD resolution ensures you see every detail clearly, even at night thanks to its color night vision capability. The setup is easy with Bluetooth compatibility, no QR scans needed. Plus, it records continuously on a microSD card, which means you won't miss anything. This model has also received over 3,100 reviews with a solid rating, showcasing its popularity. But honestly, once you get past the setup, this camera is a solid investment for your home security needs. This is perfect for you if you want a wide view and easy integration into your smart home. Skip this one if you're not comfortable with a more complex installation process. The price offers great value for the features. Alright, that was impressive. But let's move on to something that really steps up the game in terms of features. Product number 5, WiZe Bulb Cam 2-Pack. Finally, we have the WiZe Bulb Cam 2-Pack for $99.96. This caught my eye because you're essentially getting 2 cameras for a great price. If you're looking to secure multiple areas, this option is perfect. Each camera features that same impressive 2K HD resolution and color night vision we talked about. The 160 degrees viewing angle is ideal for monitoring wide spaces. Plus, with its dimmable LED feature, you can customize the brightness to suit your environment. What's noteworthy is the AI notifications that allow you to get detailed alerts for people, pets, and even vehicles. This level of customization will help you keep track of exactly what's happening around your home. With over 3,100 reviews and a solid star rating, it's clear that users are impressed. But here's the thing. If you're looking for comprehensive monitoring and don't mind a few additional subscriptions for top-notch features, this is still a great deal. This is perfect for you if you need to cover multiple areas with a single purchase. Skip this one if you're looking for something with no ongoing costs. For 2 cameras, the value is fantastic. So to recap, we started with the budget-friendly WiSe options, which are excellent for those on a tighter budget. Then we moved to the more stylish WiSe that still packs a punch. Next, the WiZe Bulb Cam provided wider coverage, and finally, the 2-pack option really maximized value. Each has its strengths and weaknesses, so it really depends on what you need. Remember, the best camera is the one that fits your specific security needs.